Once upon a time, in a magical forest, lived a wonderful witch named Nymphadora Tonks. She had bright, bubbly pink hair and a heart full of kindness. One day, Tonks found a lost kitten, crying and alone. She picked it up gently and promised to help it find its home. She took the kitten to her magical friends, Fawkes the Phoenix and Crookshanks the cat. "I need your help," she said. "I must find this kitten's home." Fawkes and Crookshanks agreed. They set off, their magical powers ready to help. They flew over hills, swam across rivers, and ran through fields. They asked every creature they met, "Have you seen a lost kitten with gray fur and green eyes?" Some said they had, and they showed the way. Others did not know, but they wished the kitten well. After a long day, they finally reached a small cottage. The kitten's meow grew louder and louder as they approached. There, they found a family of witches and wizards, overjoyed to have their little one back. Tonks, Fawkes, and Crookshanks were welcomed with gratitude. They had helped a lost kitten find its home. That night, they all slept peacefully, knowing they had made a difference. From that day forward, Tonks was known as the witch who always helped those in need. And the kitten, now home, would often come to visit her, forever grateful for her kindness. The end.